My name is Barry Boudou, and I'm the Manager of Transportation, Utilities, and Fleet Services at the Township of King. One of our goals was to be data-driven, and telematics fits that goal in spades. It gives us the opportunity to collect clean data that guides so many aspects of the service level, so it's been a game changer for us. Every data point is a building block of trust. It showed and demonstrated accountability. We could answer the who, what, where, why, how, and when. So we now knew how much material we were putting down per storm, per truck, per route, and we could shape and reconstruct our routes to be more efficient. So not only did we save 30% in terms of material spread per pass, we improved efficiency by increasing our coverage by 40%. So those insights allowed us to enhance our level of service.